Hi, welcome to 4-H Friday Fun. My name is Mitch Mason. I'm the 4-H youth educator in Cumberland County, Maine. And today we are going to try a science experiment based on polymers. What we're going to do is try to poke a stick, a skewer, through an inflated balloon without popping it. And the reason we can do this, hopefully, is because of science. So what you need today is a balloon, preferably between 7 and 12 inch balloon. These are latex, so be careful if you have a latex allergy. A skewer, which you can buy a packet of these for $1 at most stores. Some petroleum jelly. And for safety reasons, you want a pair of wire cutters. So our first step is just to blow up the balloon to a medium capacity. All right, once you have your balloon blown up, tie it off so none of the air can escape. All right. You're going to take your skewer. You're going to push the pointy end straight down into the petroleum jelly till it touches bottom, and then pull it out. Grab the balloon by the tied end with one hand or on the side, and then find the spot on the balloon at the very end that has the darkest part. And the reason you want this part is it's the part of the balloon that is least stretched out, and we'll explain that in a minute. Take your skewer, the pointy end, place it on the darkest part of the balloon at the end, and start twisting as fast as you can, rolling the skewer between your fingers while putting a little pressure on the balloon. The balloon might pop, but it should go all the way through. Move your skewer, if you can see this, through the balloon to the other end where it's tied off, and you can see it's darker there as well. And do the same thing by twisting and applying some pressure until it pops through. Now you've managed to skewer an inflated balloon without popping it. So is this magic? No, this is science. Balloons are made up of part rubber and part latex. And latex is a polymer, which is a long chain of molecules tied together. So the balloon is really just a bunch of chains of molecules put together. And when you inflate it, like any other chain, it stretches it and the chain becomes tight. So if you can put your skewer between different chains of molecules, you manage to put it through without popping it. So there is science behind the event. So try this at home. Make sure after you've put the skewer through the balloon, just for safety reasons, cut off the sharp end of the skewer. So some questions are, do you think the balloon will stay inflated, or do you think it will deflate over time? What are other items that you could use besides a skewer that are safe to try this experiment? So have fun and stay safe this weekend. Thanks.